Hello, HPE 158 students. It's Dr. Piontek here. I just wanted to give you a very brief overview and a couple of reminders. So please make sure that you complete the life values inventory, and you can find that link throughout the course. One area in particular is if you go to the assignment that I sent out last week, you will see a link here. It's called the life values inventory link. If you click on that, that will bring you directly to the life values inventory that I would like for you to complete before class tomorrow night. So when you complete the life values inventory, you're going to receive a PDF document, and it's about 13 pages long, at least mine was, and it basically highlights why you answered what you answered. It goes through certain characteristics, and if you can do one of two things. You can either print out that PDF, or you can read through the PDF and then write like a paragraph or two summarizing what the results of your life inventory had indicated. Bring that with you to class tomorrow. So either the summary that you write or the PDF document that you print out. We're going to go into small groups and we're going to discuss the findings, and then we'll come back as a large group. So make sure that you have that available tomorrow. You will also receive your points for completing that assignment tomorrow through providing that proof, either the summary that you had written about the life values inventory, that PDF document, so you summarize that, or if you actually just show me the printout of that PDF document that indicates that you had completed that life inventory. So if you have questions about that, please do not hesitate to email me, and I can clarify anything that needs clarified. So for this week, what I want you to do, you're going to read chapter 3, which is mental wellness in your textbook, and then you're also going to read pages 470 through 484 if you haven't already done so. So we are going to cover, I have several videos that we're going to watch in class, and then we're going to have small and large group discussion. And then the final thing that I would like for you to do is for our icebreaker, so we can kind of get to know each other a little bit more, is I would like for you to come to class with 2 truths about yourself and 1 lie. So this is that one time that I will not judge you. I wouldn't judge you anyway, but this one time that you can lie. So I have an example here, which you will see in the week 2 post that I had created. So for example, my 2 truths and 1 lie is that I was a student representative for the United States in 1989 in what was then the Soviet Union. Number 2 is I was selected class president during my junior and senior years of high school. And finally, number 3 is my favorite family game is sardines. So if none of you know what sardines is, I would be happy to talk about that in class, because it's a lot of fun. But anyway, that's my family game. So you can pretty much guess that if I'm going to be talking about it and that I know a lot about it, that number 3 probably is a truth. But I'll let you decide which one is the lie. So if you are unfamiliar with Blackboard, please shoot me an email and meet with me before class. We can go over Blackboard, or we can talk about this after class if you have a prior commitment. We will probably not meet the full 3 hours of class tomorrow, just because of the content, and because I think what we'll do is we'll try to streamline things a little quickly and get you out each night a little earlier than what the class is originally signed for. So if there are any changes in that, of course, I will let you know. So anyhow, let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I will see everyone tomorrow in Old Main, room 202 at 6:30. So I will see you then.